Hello, welcome to Mwalimu Lectures. In this session, we're going to look at what an essay is. An essay is a piece of writing aimed to inform the reader or convince someone about a particular topic. It is a focused piece of writing that develops an argument or idea using evidence, analysis, and interpretation. Its basic structure consists of three main sections, which are introduction, body, and conclusion. The introduction section contains three main areas. One is the background information of the topic of the subject, where information is given as overview from general to specific about the topic. For example, providing important academic works or arguments on the topic. Thesis statement is the second area which is included in the introduction section. Thesis statement is the central argument of the paper. It states the aim of the paper and may constitute the author's examples and evidence. The roadmap of the essay is the third element that is included in the introduction. This is presented in a sentence informing the reader what the essay will cover in each part. It is mostly essential with long essays. To capture the attention of the reader, introduction should begin with an interesting tone, like a quote about the topic. Yes, the body makes up to 60 to 80% of the essay on average. The length may cover a maximum of 8 to 10 pages. It is structured into paragraphs, each representing an idea or a point. The paragraph should be structured to include three main areas. One is a topic sentence, followed by evidences presented with citations, and lastly, explanations of the evidence on how it connects with your argument in the topic sentences. Transitional sentences are included in the explanations, and citations are avoided in these sections. Conclusion. The conclusion should make up to 10 to 15% of the essay. The conclusion should link the thesis statement with the main points, wrapping the main arguments in a simplified manner and show why your argument matters. There are things that should never be included in conclusion. These include evidences, citation, and new arguments. Phrases showing you are concluding, such as "in conclusion," should be avoided too. The final statement should leave the reader with something to reflect on. Generally, the key features of an essay include a structure constituting an introduction, body with paragraphs, a conclusion, and a reference list at the end, a focused central idea, a unity of body paragraphs to the main idea, and a clear thesis statement packaging the main idea of the topic. Thank you for watching.